So this is how to do the speed glitch in the new Skate online game. What you need to do first is go to the settings, controls, and make sure you scroll all the way down and enable hold fakie stance. Now I'm not sure if this is necessary, but I found this makes it a lot easier. So once that's done, you want to back out, go ahead and do a 180 ollie. Once you do that 180 ollie, you're going to ollie again and hold both the triggers down and push the B, hold B, or if you're on PlayStation, circle. And then once you get close to hitting the ground, you want to release those buttons and you should initiate the speed glitch. And that's pretty much it. The timing's a bit tricky, but once you get it down, it's pretty simple.